when I was looking to find myself and find my true calling, I found people that inspired me. Those were quite a big names, like Marie Forelo, Tony Robbins, Garry Vee. And I really wanted to pass my information on, to pass the information that you can go through the change, you can live through the change, you can create the life you want, you can be who you want. But I had the one big blockage. Instead of actually trying to be better me, I wanted to be a second Marie Forelo, a second Garry Vee, a second Tony Robbins. No. Don't do that mistake. You are unique. Each of us is unique. Each of us is amazing and wonderful. This is something that if you're looking to reinvent yourself, to change your life, you should look to change things on your terms. Change things that suits you, that are creative with your values, that are created for your mission, your vision of yourself. My message to you today would be, if you're on the path to change, work on yourself. What are you best in? What are you strong in? But also look at those things that stop you from being truly you, from being a unicorn you are. So if you have any blockage points, just write them down and think how you can get over them. For me, it's easy. I don't want to be second. I want to be first and only. Cathy D. Edutainer. A person who can save you from boring workshops, boring speeches and boring presentations. On top of that, there are a couple of other skills I have and I can help you and your team in. But today is not about me. It's about you and your change. If you're looking to change, start with finding yourself and finding what stops you from truly being a person you would like to be.